Okay, so first thing first, make sure you have your 8-bit paired to your phone or tablet, whatever device. You want to make sure it's toggled over into the K, that's keyboard mode. You're going to see these three warnings at the top. Go ahead and hit the first one, and it's going to ask you a question. You'll hit enable. At the very top where it says Keymapper, you'll click that, and go ahead and toggle that on, hit allow. Then you can go back, go ahead and hit the next one, and hit fix partially, allow. And the final one, you can actually hit never show again. You don't need that. And from there, the app itself is actually running. So go ahead and hit new key map on the bottom right there. And then from here on the bottom left, when you hit record trigger, you need to hit a corresponding key on the actual joypad. So I'll hit record trigger and then a button on the D-pad. You see it's registered there at the top as a D-pad input. So from there at the very top, go to actions, go ahead and add an action. And in this case, we want input key code. So you can do combination keys like Control Z, etc., but Clip Studio has alternate key bindings by default set as numpad 5 for undo, for example. So I'm going to scroll down until I see that. It's quite a long list, so take your time and scroll through to find what you need to find, but there we go, numpad. So key code numpad _5, it's 149. So from there, it's going to give you this other pop-up saying, hey, there's some other stuff you need to do. You, in fact, don't need to do this. You can actually hit do nothing. And so the only problem is when you're using this app, you won't be able to use your on-screen keyboard, which isn't really a problem if you're just drawing and using your little shortcuts. I don't find it a problem. If it is, you can follow those other steps, but I just ignore it. You do have a problem here. You can hit fix and then hit fix again. It's basically squawking at you because, hey man, you don't have your Keymapper keyboard set up. Yeah, so what? So hit fix again, and then that's it. It's totally done. It's gonna stop squawking at you. Hit done on the bottom right corner, and so you have that map. So now if you were to press that same D-pad input on your controller, it'll simulate hitting numpad number 5, which in this case is undo for Clip Studio. Now, when you're not using it, at the very top where it says running, click on that and it turns into paused. That way your on-screen keyboard will show up again. So when you want to use it, you're drawing, you want those shortcuts, go into the app, click it again so it's running, use your shortcuts, and if you need to toggle this off, hit it back.